Once upon a time, in a lush green forest by a wide river, there lived a clever monkey. He made his home on a tall jamon tree near the riverbank. The tree was always full of sweet, juicy fruits, and the monkey happily spent his days eating and playing. One day, a crocodile came swimming to the riverbank. He looked tired and hungry. The kind-hearted monkey saw him and said, "Hello, friend, you look hungry. Would you like some fruits?" The crocodile smiled and replied, "Yes, thank you. That's very kind of you." The monkey plucked some ripe fruits and threw them down to the crocodile. The crocodile loved the sweet taste and thanked the monkey. From that day on, they became good friends. Every day, the crocodile visited the monkey, and the monkey shared fruits with him. One evening, the crocodile took some fruits home for his wife. She tasted them and loved them. But instead of being happy, she became greedy, she said. "If these fruits are so sweet, imagine how sweet the monkey's heart must be. I want to eat his heart." The crocodile was shocked. "But he is my friend," he said. "I cannot harm him." His wife became angry and refused to eat anything until he brought the monkey's heart. The poor crocodile felt sad and confused, but he finally agreed. The next day, the crocodile went to the monkey and said, "Dear friend, my wife has heard so much about you. She has invited you to our home for dinner." The monkey was surprised. "That sounds wonderful," he said. "But I cannot swim. How will I reach your home?" The crocodile replied, "Don't worry. Sit on my back, and I will take you across the river." The monkey trusted his friend and climbed onto the crocodile's back. They started swimming across the river. Halfway through, the crocodile felt guilty and said, "My friend, I must tell you the truth. My wife wants to eat your heart. I am taking you to her." The monkey was shocked, but he quickly thought of a clever plan. He calmly said, "Oh dear, why didn't you tell me earlier? I left my heart on the tree." Monkeys don't carry their hearts with them. The crocodile was confused but believed him. "Oh no. Then we must go back and get it," he said. He quickly turned around and swam back to the tree. As soon as they reached the riverbank, the monkey jumped off and climbed high up the tree. "From there," he said, "you foolish crocodile. How can anyone leave their heart behind? You tried to trick me, but I was smarter. Our friendship is over." The crocodile felt ashamed and went away sadly. Moral of this story: always use your intelligence in difficult situations, and be careful about trusting others blindly.